Hi everyone, this is Marjorie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a cooking video for a keto skillet pizza. This is the easiest pizza you'll ever make. I'm a lazy cook, and so I kind of came up with this. This is a subscribe sign. Please subscribe and ring the little bell, and then you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, I do want to start this off by saying I have my new induction cooktop here that I am new with. So we're going to just get started. First of all, I'm going to make the crust. What I make the crust with is shredded mozzarella, oregano, a tablespoon of almond flour, and an egg. So I'm going to put the egg in first. One egg. There we go. Right in the trash. And I'm going to beat that little guy up. Hope you can hear me. I'm going to sprinkle in a bunch of oregano because it just smells like pizza. This is McCormick organic oregano. I'm going to put things over there when I'm done. I'm going to put in my tablespoon of almond flour. This looks like more, but I just put a tablespoon in here so it would not fall over on my counter. So, just stirring this up. I'm going to start my induction oven over here. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to spray my little skillet with a little bit of Jalapeno coconut oil. Where are we at? We've got oregano, almond flour, and an egg. And I usually just reach in and grab a big a big handful of grated mozzarella. But so you can have a recipe. I'm going to put in a cupful. So I'm going to stir this all up. Not that terrific, just stir it up. It makes a little gooey mess. I'm going to dump that right into my skillet. Yes, you can see that. And I'm going to pat it around as thin as I can. And make sure I get it all out. Now, while that cheese is melting and getting all bubbly, I'm going to grab a few pepperonis out of my pepperoni bag here. I'm going to take one little spoonful of sauce, because I don't have a low-carb variety, which you can use rouse. Let me turn this down. It looks like it's going quite high. This is the first time. I'm actually going to get a little dab more. And I'm sprinkling that around, and I'm going to spread it around because it will spread. The cheese is oily. There we go. That looks so yummy. And I better check that crust. Oh, it's almost done. I gotta hurry. Told you this is like the fastest pizza ever. Put a few little pepperonis on there. Whoops, there we go. I'm going to grab here's a phone. Okay. Going to put this, put a plate over it. I think I just burned it. Okay. Put a plate over it. Turn it over. Yes, I burned it. Just a little. Slide it right back in on the pepperoni side. Looks a little messy. It's easier when you've done it a couple times. You kind of get the hang of it. Wipe my plate off here so that it doesn't look so messy. Okay. And so that's the ingredients. Woo! I'm going to turn this off. There we go. Now, to set it on a trivet. Turn it over one more time. And you can see that this little pizza, which I slightly overcooked, but looks really yummy. The cheese is melted, the sauce is there. And I take fresh Parmesan and my Parmesan grater, and I go, I think it's off, I think that's first time I've used that little guy. Whoops. And I just go over my pizza with some freshly grated Parmesan. And I'm going to cut into this and show you. Oh good, the fan turned off. I thought I had the learning curve on this. Alrighty, and a little bit over there. Okay, now you can see that looks pretty yummy for a quick little yummy pizza. It looks gooey, not because the crust isn't cooked, but because it's got melted cheese in the crust. So I'm going to cut a little bite of this. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like everybody's into making pizza toppings in lieu of pizza. They just kind of melt the cheese. Adding a little tiny bit of almond flour to it and an egg holds it all together. The oregano gives it, like I said, pizza flavor. And so when this comes out, the crust is not like just melted cheese. It actually has that flavor. The almond flour, you could leave that out. The reason I like it is because it gives it that, almond flour is a little sweet, gives it kind of a sweeter flavor. Like, so it's kind of like a yeast dough. Do you know how the pizzerias make yeast dough and it rises? That's what this tastes like. So easy. And I will list the ingredients below. And I would like to thank you very much for watching my very first little kitchen video, because pizza is one of my favorites. So if you're new here, will you please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment and share. I'd love to hear what you think. Talk to you later. Bye.